Hello everyone, I'm here to show you how to use a feature on your iPhone that will allow you to use your mask and Face ID and still unlock your iPhone. The only caveat is that you will have to have an Apple Watch to do so. The way to do it is hit your settings, scroll down, look for Face ID and passcode. You will be required to enter your passcode. Surely everyone has a passcode enabled, right? Once in there, scroll down, look for your Apple Watch. In this case, mine is David's Apple Watch. I'm going to turn that on. When I do, it says David's Apple Watch will unlock iPhone when any mask is detected. And that means any mask. Face ID can't recognize you with a mask, so iPhone will unlock when any face with a mask is detected while your watch is unlocked and nearby. A haptic and notification on your watch lets you relock iPhone if you did not intend to unlock. So when you turn this on, anyone with a mask can unlock your phone if your watch is nearby. Now, if you feel that, because your watch will tap you and let you know and give you notification, you can relock your iPhone, and then it's locked, and you have to have the code to open it. But realize that if someone's close, they can pick up your phone, and Face ID will unlock the phone if your watch is nearby and they have a mask on. Enjoy.